Why not have the ability to eventually sell this business, whether it's 10 years down the road or 15 years down the road? I mean, if you think about it, if we are going to be attracting agents or recruiting agents, if we're going to be developing agents, if we're going to be providing the resources, the tools, and the support that these agents need, why not build a business that eventually, first and foremost, you can scale, but secondly, which is very important, have an exit strategy, right? And sell that business for 4 or 5 times the multiple. So in 2020, I started my own brokerage on January 14, 2020, right before COVID. And that year, I think we brought in about 75 or 76 agents into the company. Last year, I think we brought in about 75 or 80. And this year, we're on pace to bring about 110 agents into the company. Along the way, I started my own mortgage company. We have 3 loan officers there right now, our own title company in the beginning of the year. And then, of course, I have rental investments and Airbnb investments, and in the process of opening up our insurance company as well, property and casualty.